In this video, we will see how to use Anydesk. First, go to the anydesk.com. Click on the green Download Now button. A setup file will be downloaded. Open that file and you will see a window like this. Click on Run and allow Windows to install. Now, this is your desk ID. Copy this ID and give it to us. Remember, do not close this window or turn off the internet. You will be able to see every action that is being done. Once we get your ID, you will see a window that says support would like to view your desk. Click on the green accept button. It will ask for confirmation again. Click yes. You may also have to click on this allow access button. Now, our support team can check the problem with your computer. Please do not disconnect the internet or Anydesk. We will close Anydesk once we are done.